Nightwatch. We just shipped Laravel Nightwatch so you can start monitoring your Laravel app with a single command. Get real-time visibility into your app's behavior, monitor every event, group event types and get smart alerts, track errors and issues until they are resolved. I am currently looking at a chart of 550 million plus aggregate HTTP requests and it took less than 2 seconds to load. Events and contents to watch out this week: live Reddit Q&A with Jess Archer, how to set up Laravel Nightwatch, Laravel Nightwatch versus Pulse, Nightwatch versus Telescope, and Laravel Nightwatch in 3 minutes. Don't be afraid of the dark. Start free and deploy anywhere with simple pricing as you grow. First class Laravel monitoring. Nightwatch isn't just another monitoring tool with Laravel adapter. It's built from the ground up for high volume production Laravel application. Telescope helps you debug locally. Pulse shows you aggregated metrics. Nightwatch gives you the full story of what's happening in production. Getting started can be done in few steps. Create your account, create a project, copy your token to where you host your Laravel app, install and run Nightwatch. We have 2-minute setup Nightwatch video if you want to watch a walkthrough of setting up Nightwatch. Once you are set up, you have to wait for your events to come streaming in. Watching our 3-minute getting started video with Josh here as a guide to your new Nightwatch dashboard. Why we created Nightwatch: all of us face challenges in production environment. Performance issues and errors come up all the times. When user reports slowdowns or errors, standard logging solution might show what's causing the problem. We love Telescope for local debugging. It saved us countless times during development, and Pulse gives us a nice dashboard for basic metrics. But when production gets complicated, when we need to track down that n+1 query that only happens with specific customer data, or when we need the whole team to collaborate on fixing issue, we need something more. That's why we built Nightwatch. We wanted production grade monitoring that things like a Laravel developer, understanding the connection between request, job, queries and all the pieces that make your application tick. What you will get with Nightwatch: Nightwatch gives you an in-depth view of all the parts of your Laravel app, monitor your system health at a glance, see a high-level overview of how your application is doing, digging into all of the following: request, job, commands, schedule, task, exceptions, queries, notification, mail, outgoing request. Take a detailed look of all the above and how they link together to create a full picture of your application. Get alerts for exceptions. Being able to dive into errors is one of the important features we need from an observability tool. With Nightwatch, you can spot exceptions as soon as they happen and get an in-depth look at how they happen. Immediately see the route, location, message and how many times the error occurred. Get visibility into the specific users that were affected. Team ready from day one. Unlike Telescope built for solo debugging or Pulse designed for dashboard, Nightwatch is built for teams. Exceptions are automatically turned into trackable issues. Assign team members to specific issues. Track issue resolution and patterns over time. Get alerts sent to the right people based on the type of issue. Assign issues a priority team member and track their status. Detail logs. Get detailed logs from your controller to your jobs. See all your info, warning, error logs and where they are logged. Timelines are available for HTTP requests, database queries and jobs. You can see exactly how long your middleware takes to process your controller cache hits and misses and query length. Every event together. We have only seen a few of the important pieces that you will get with Nightwatch. You can dive into even more things like notification, jobs, mails, schedule, tasks and more. Every Laravel event is connected together in Nightwatch, giving you the most Laravel focused approach to observability for your apps. There are a lot of things you can learn when you see all events connected together, and our hope is that Nightwatch gives you insight into your Laravel app like never before. Battle tested at scale. We didn't just build Nightwatch for side projects. It's engineered to handle billions of events without breaking a sweat. Our column-oriented architecture means query stays fast even as your data grows. GeoCodio monitors their high-level geocoding service with Nightwatch, processing millions of requests daily. Within an hour of deployment, they were already catching issues they didn't know existed. Built to support you at any scale, Nightwatch is free to start and easy to upgrade as you grow. Pick a plan that fits your needs, set your own limit, and use fine-grained sampling controls to focus your event quota where it matters most. Advanced sampling controls, simple plans with predictable billing, on-demand additional events, a support team ready to assist. Available today. Don't be afraid of the dark. Sign up for Watchman, install it with a single command and see what's really happening in your Laravel apps. Your future self will thank you the next time production acts up. You can see exactly what went wrong, why it went wrong, and who it affected.